SmartDraw extensions allow users to generate diagrams from data, skipping the drawing process. You can create your own custom extensions with some powerful built-in tools and share it with your team. The REST extension allows you to write code that translates data into VisualScript in the language of your choice, running as a web service on the host of your choice. All you need to do is provide a REST endpoint that returns a string of VisualScript markup to SmartDraw to render as a diagram. To add an extension that uses a REST endpoint, go to the Extensions category in the SmartDraw template dialog and click on the Create an Extension icon. Choose the REST extension option. In the REST extension configuration dialog, you can give your extension a name and point to the URL that will pass SmartDraw VisualScript markup. The description you add will show in the dialog an end user sees when running the extension. There are 3 ways to pass parameters to the REST endpoint. First, you can pass parameters to this URL using the UI Builder syntax. Using this syntax for variables creates a form that the end user will see, allowing them to input values for these variables. Adding them also shows them at the bottom of the dialog, allowing you to set defaults and a description. You can see what the end user form will look like by clicking the Preview Form button at the bottom of the dialog. Another option is to use the same syntax in the additional header section, which is likewise passed to the endpoint. These fields are also added to the end user form. The third option is to pass the parameters within the message body. If you change the mode of the call to POST instead of GET, you can pass a message body to the endpoint. Again, you can use the UI Builder to prompt for user input. In this example, we format a JSON string using the UI Builder. Creating a REST endpoint extension adds a new icon to your extensions category with the name that you assign to it. If you, as the author, click on this, you'll see the configuration dialog. You can change the configuration or run the extension. You can also share this extension with others, so your team can use it to generate visuals from the same data. Right-click on the extension icon and choose Share. This copies a share URL to the clipboard, which you can paste into an email and send to anyone you want to be able to use it. If the user clicks on the link, the icon for the extension will appear in their Extensions dialog. When they run your extension, they won't see the code used to configure the extensions. They'll only see the UI you built for them. Note that sharing is only allowed between users that share the same SmartDraw Enterprise Site license. It's that easy to build and share a REST extension and generate diagrams automatically from data.